Well, let's keep the markets theme going with Laura Besarati from Commsec. Laura, Netflix will release its results tonight. What's the market expecting?
They certainly will. Good afternoon, Ed. That's third quarter results. They'll be out after the US market shuts, so it'll be interesting to see how its share price reacts in after hours trade tonight. But investors are expecting to see growth, particularly in advertising revenue due to its cheaper plans, which do include ads, but also continued growth from the crackdown on password sharing. Now, this could translate to double-digit growth in sales and profit. Analysts are expecting a jump in revenue to $9.77 billion. That would be up from $8.54 billion the same time last year, and roughly 4.5 million additional subscribers over the 3-month period. Now, Netflix has actually beaten revenue expectations for the prior 4 quarters, so it could be quite interesting to see what happens and if that happens again this time round.
And Laura, the Taiwanese semiconductor manufacturer TSMC, it's also going to release its earnings numbers pretty soon. What can we expect?
They certainly are. Now, I feel like we don't talk about this stock enough. They're actually the world's third largest semiconductor manufacturer. That comes after Intel and Samsung. Now, they build the key AI chips for major tech players like Nvidia and Apple. So their earnings results are going to be very closely watched by investors, and it'll be a bit of a pulse check on the whole AI industry. Of course, just a couple of days ago, we did see downbeat forecasts from chip sales from ASML Holdings, which is a chip equipment maker in the US. So that was a damper on AI sentiment, and that resulted in big falls in the big tech. So tonight's outcome is all the more important. Analysts are expecting revenue to come in at $23.1 billion for the quarter, but the focus will really be on its forward guidance.
Laura, thanks for coming on the show.